Hi, I'm Alina with H33. Every cross-border payment carries a compliance burden: sanction screening, KYC verification, beneficial ownership, source of funds, jurisdiction checks. The data requirements keep growing, and every intermediary in the payment chain needs to verify everything independently. The result? Payments take days, compliance costs are enormous, and sensitive data gets copied across a dozen institutions in a dozen jurisdictions, each with different data protection laws. There's a better architecture. Send what the law requires, the minimum data the receiving institution legally needs. Prove everything else cryptographically. Instead of sending full KYC dossiers across borders, send a cryptographic proof that KYC was completed, by whom, under which regulatory framework, and that the result was compliant. The receiving bank can verify the proof without ever seeing the underlying data. At H33, we build post-quantum institutional evidence infrastructure. We call this capability wireproof, compliance compression for cross-border payments. The compliance obligation is met. The proof is independently verifiable, and the sensitive data never leaves the originating jurisdiction. Send what the law requires. Prove everything else. That's how payments should work. Thanks so much for watching.